Assalamu alaikum and hello. My name is Mohammed Samih Said bin Said CB17155, your humble student from section 01B, course Formal Method. And today I will explain or present my assignment, that individual assignment for the course, and it is about the train railroad notation and navigation system. So I will begin my presentation. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is my cover page and this is my table of content, and this is the introduction. For the introduction, I have talked about the formal method and how it is an essential part and a concept that helps the development of a system during both the initial stages and the final stages, which are the testing stages. Now, the formal method is important for the verification purposes that serves in the testing phases, and also for the specification purposes, which is important in the initial phases. Now, in this assignment, I will implement two formal methods, which are the Z notation and the state chart. But and to explain more about the system, and the system is train railway navigation system or notation. It is basically a system that enables the train to know exactly when to move and when to stop based on different sort of colors, and the algorithm that will be implemented serves this purpose. There are many reasons for this system importance, and that reasons are that it is essential to the safety of the people who are inside the train, essential to the safety of the train itself, and it is essential to the overall safety. So many suggestions were meant to turn this into an electrical system in order for it to be more accurate. However, we are going to implement it as a computerized system. Now, the target idea is the CRD, which is the control route distance. It shows the routes for the train that we are going to use, and here I discussed about the selected formal methods, and I have mentioned the Z notation, the definition of the Z notation, and the state chart. And this is the Z notation, which is a formal language that is invented with the combination of both mathematical notations and at the same time natural language. So it is a combination of both science and at the same time reality. These are the variables that I'm going to use inside implementing the schema, which is DCM direction. Yellow block, red block, green block are used for as color movements controllers. So the green block is for the train to start moving, the yellow block for the train to slow down, and the red block is for the train to stop. And these are the implementation of the Z notation. This is the first Z notation, which there are no inputs and there are no outputs. However, there is just a bunch of relation between the schemas. And the second one, there exists that the DCM will not be changing, which is the system that can be copied. And finally, this is the implementation of the state chart. Now, state chart is not considered to be a formal method that is quite sophisticated. It's just a simple formal method that is used to explain more about the theory of the train system. And here I have said the principle of works, which are both the consistency and the completeness. In order for the system to be successful, it must be consistent and it must be complete. There shall not exist any kind of insufficient operations nor unclear association. This is my conclusion and my references. Thank you very much, Dr. Abdullah Nasser, for listening to my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a good and healthy day.